This is section 6.3. We are talking about proportions. A statement that indicates two quantities are equal is called an equation. A proportion states that two ratios or rates are equal. We're going to write a proportion for each statement. 5 is to 12 as 30 is to 72. So we have our two ratios that are set equal to each other. 240 miles is to 4 hours as 300 miles is to 5 hours. To determine whether two ratios form a proportion, we're going to use the cross products test. We're going to multiply across and see if our cross products are equal. Our cross products are both 45. Since the cross products are equal, the ratios form a proportion. In this case, our cross products are not equal. One is 44, the other is 40. So no, this is not a true proportion. These ratios are not equal to each other. To solve a proportion, we're going to set the cross products equal to each other and solve the equation. We will check our solution in the original proportion. So to solve x over 13 equals 6 over 39, we will set the cross products equal to each other. We will start with 39 times x, or 39x, equals 13 times 6. So 13 times 6 is 78. And we will divide by the coefficient 39, and x equals 2. Now we want to check our solution. So we're going to plug 2 back into the proportion, and we will take our cross products test again and make sure we have a true proportion. To solve the proportion 4 over 15 equals 9 over n, again, we will start by setting the cross products equal to each other. 4n equals 9 times 15. So 4n equals 135, and we divide by the coefficient 4. So our solution, n equals 135 over 4, could be written as a mixed number. It could be written as a decimal number. We're going to substitute our solution back into the proportion to make sure it is a true proportion. We'll take the cross products and they check. We're going to solve this proportion. The only difference is we have a negative number here. We're still going to take the cross products and we're going to multiply 0.8 times p and set that equal to 4 times negative 3.1. So 0.8p equals negative 12.4, and we divide by the coefficient, and p equals negative 15.5. So we are going to solve another proportion, and this time we have a fraction. We're still going to set our cross products equal to each other. Negative 12 times 2/3 equals negative 8 times x, and it does not matter which cross product you begin with. They're equal. And we'll divide by the coefficient. X equals 1. And here are some for you to try.